Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without having to sell your soul to read endless reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums, because who has time to vacuum these days? We're comparing the Tikom L9000 robot vacuum, let's call it Tikom, and the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner, or as I like to call it, ROPVACNIC. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. Tikom comes in at a wallet-friendly $249, while ROPVACNIC is asking for a bit more love at $299. So if you're not ready to part with that extra $50, Tikom is already looking like your new best friend. Now on to navigation. Tikom boasts 360 degrees LiDAR navigation, which sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. It can save up to 5 maps, meaning you can customize the cleaning schedule for different floors without it getting lost like your uncle at a family reunion. ROPVACNIC, on the other hand, has a high-coverage sensing system, which I assume means it won't fall down the stairs, but it doesn't really stack up to the 360 degrees LiDAR. Reviewers love Tikom's navigation, but are less impressed with ROPVACNIC's system. Sorry, ROPVACNIC, Tikom's got the edge here. Both of these bad boys are 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping champs. Tikom has a 300 megaliters dustbin and a 250 megaliters water tank with adjustable 3-level water output. ROPVACNIC steps it up with a high-capacity water tank and a 4-stage personalized water adjustment system. Reviews highlight that ROPVACNIC's mopping system is top-notch, especially for handling spills. So if you're looking for a robot vacuum that can handle a spill like a pro bartender, ROPVACNIC might just take the lead here. Moving on to suction power, because we all know that's where the magic happens. Both Tikom and ROPVACNIC offer a muscle-flexing 4,000 pascal suction. That's like having a mini tornado cleaning your floors. But Tikom brags about its ability to suck up crumbs from carpet fibers in a single pass. Reviewers agree that Tikom's suction is exceptional for deep cleaning. ROPVACNIC's 3-point cleaning system and compact design sound fancy. But let's be real, if you're not sucking up crumbs like a vacuuming ninja, what are you even doing? Now, let's talk battery life. Tikom offers a whopping 150 minutes of runtime and will auto-return to its charging station like a well-trained Roomba puppy when it's low on juice. ROPVACNIC also auto-recharges but doesn't specify how long it can keep going. Reviewers have noted that ROPVACNIC has a long battery life, but Tikom's specified runtime gives it an edge. So Tikom is the marathon runner here, while ROPVACNIC might just be the sprinter that needs a nap. Both vacuums can be controlled via an app or voice commands, compatible with Alexa and Google Home. Tikom uses the Tuya Smart app, letting you switch modes, set virtual walls, and no-go zones. ROPVACNIC also offers multiple cleaning modes and voice commands for a hands-free experience. Reviews indicate that both apps are user-friendly, but Tikom's 14 no-go zones are like setting up a mini fortress for your carpet. ROPVACNIC, you can't top that? For pet owners, ROPVACNIC claims to have an exclusive no-entanglement design to deal with pet hair without you having to stick your hands in the mess. Tikom doesn't mention this, so if you're tired of dealing with Fido's fur, ROPVACNIC might just be your new BFF. Reviewers who are pet owners have praised ROPVACNIC for this feature. Reviewers generally praise the Tikom L9000 for its advanced navigation, powerful suction, and ease of use. They find it to be a phenomenal value for its price. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner is highly recommended for its mopping capabilities, pet hair management, and versatile cleaning patterns. Both products receive positive feedback, but cater to slightly different needs. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly marathon running, 360 degrees navigating champ, Tikom is your go-to. But if you're willing to splurge a bit for advanced mopping and pet hair prowess, ROPVACNIC is calling your name. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a smart buy. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Product links are in the description.